When hearing loss begins to affect a person, the frustration and anxiety can have a profound impact. Withdrawal from social and family activities, loss of self-confidence, even personality changes. Children who are affected by hearing loss suffer developmentally in socialization and education due to being cut off by the lack of communication. Working adults with hearing loss are statistically proven to earn less than their unhindered counterparts. And when hearing loss goes untreated for an extended time, it's been linked as a contributing factor in dementia. Of course, with the technology of today's hearing aids, even serious hearing loss can be alleviated. But for some people, the cost of these tiny wonders puts the solution out of reach. When all other options have been exhausted, the Miracle Ear Foundation is the safety net for many who cannot afford the assistance of hearing aids. Funded by community fundraising events, donations of cash, and in-kind services, the foundation brings critical hearing help to those who otherwise would have no options. We help people of all ages because hearing loss knows no boundaries. When you contribute to the Miracle Ear Foundation, you're helping to change lives for the better by giving the gift of sound.
My hearing aid make my day happy, and able to hear every single day is big.
I would be upset if I don't hear my hearing aid, because I wouldn't be happy in my life. So.
She's more outspoken, she wants to do more things, she wants to talk to friends, she wants to go and do things with them.
Just like it benefited my child, it'll benefit a lot more kids.
The foundation is enhancing the lives of children and adults across the U.S. by giving the gift of sound for those in need. There is that moment when someone hears clearly for the first time. That's inspirational. We're changing lives together.
I thought it will never hear anything like normally others do, but it's amazing. Yes.
Thank you so much for giving me the gift of sound.
If you would like to help, or if you know someone who could benefit from hearing help, call or ask your Miracle Ear representative for more information.